Alright, let's look at the homework 5, problem number 10. Alright, so you have a supply equation and a demand equation, and we need to find x value so that these two equations are equal to each other. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we're going to just set them equal to each other. So you have x over 100 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 31,500 over x. Alright, and the first thing is, let's see, I don't like having a fraction here, so I'm going to multiply through by 100. Alright, so you have 100, so you're just going to get x here. Alright, so 1/2 times 100 is 50. And then you're going to get 31500, so I'm going to have 2 more zeros over x. Alright, and again, I don't like fractions, so I'm going to multiply through by x. That way we can get rid of the denominators. Alright, just the denominator. So you have x squared plus 50x is equal to 3150000. Alright, then to make it into a quadratic equation, I'm gonna just it is still already a quadratic equation, but I'm gonna put everyone on the left hand side. So you have 3150000. Alright, so you get x2 squared and 50x and a minus 3150000. Alright, so is equal to 0. Alright, so we are trying to come up with a number so that we have. Alright, maybe I'm going to just use the quadratic equation here. So I'm going to do a quadratic formula. So it's going to be negative b, which is 50, plus or minus square root of, right, so 50 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times negative 3150000, and all over and 2 times 1. Right, so I'm going to just bring out a calculator. Alright, so I'm going to do a square root of, right, so you have a 50 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 3150000. Alright, I hit enter. Alright, so it's 3550. Alright, so we have, this is going to be negative 50 plus or minus 3550 over 2. Alright, so this is going to be equal to, alright, so if you do the addition, negative 50 plus 3550, so it's going to be 3500 over 2. And if you do a negative number, it's going to be 3600 over 2. Alright, so this is going to give us, let's see, 35 divided by 2, 1750. Alright, and this is going to be negative 1200. Right, in this case, x has to be positive, so 1750 should be the right answer. So let's try 1750. Right, 1750. Right, check the answer. Right, we got that. Right, and we want to find the equivalent price. So we just have to plug in 1750 for the supply equation or demand equation. Either one's fine. Alright, so let's do that. Probably easy one would be, actually pretty easy either way. So I'll use the top one. So price P is equal to, right, 1750 over 100 plus 1/2, which is going to be, let's see, 17.5 plus 1/2 is 0.5, so that's going to be 18. So let's type it in. It's going to be $18. 18. Alright, check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.